howdy, it's the Boss Buddy, AA. I'm here to make your day, put you in the mood for a helpful attitude. Say the planet, be a cool dude. If you don't know what to do, help the birds and bees and butterflies too. Ooh, ooh, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Boss Buddy!
Wild geranium for the pollinators. It's so yummyarium. We should plant wild geranium with the love we give to a child. Oh, Geranium Maculatum is yummy for the pollinators, like gum yum for the tum-tum. Hey, this plant blooms in white, pink, and purple. It provides an important production circle. It feeds the pollinators via its nectar. In return, the pollinators pollinate this plant and our crops. And now I want everyone to talk. Why do I let them spray chemicals? Hey, when you do that, the ecosystem has a bad day. For your garden, your plants, your lawns, the pollinators, it's an A, not a yay. Geranium for the pollinators, it's so yummyarium. We should plant wild geranium with the love we give to a child. Spring to summer is when this plant blooms, and it will look great on any suit fit for a groom. It attracts butterflies and bees, and the speed they come, I just wanna say zoom. This plant lacks rich or acid soil. Hey, you should prune it before winter. Speaking of twigs and wood, don't get a splinter. Wild geranium like sun or shade, and now you have its infilade. Hopefully the ecosystem won't consist of a bunch of blades of grass. Oh, so plant the geranium for the pollinators. It's so yummyarium. We should plant wild geranium with the love we give to a child. Subscribe to my channel and comment down below what your favorite gardening plant is, yo. Come on, leave a like. If you're not gonna do that, then take a hike on your bike. Let's go, Mike.